Hello, today we're taking a look at the Sentence Builder app. This is a $5 educational app for the iPad that is a fun new sentence builder that is designed to help you learn about words, sentences, punctuation, grammar, and pronunciation. So it offers a ton of different features in there. It's great for kids anywhere from kindergarten up to second grade here, and has great teacher-approved content built into it here. So you can see here in the main menu, you have the ability to set user accounts, so multiple users can be added in here. You can see you can add a user, edit a user, or delete a user. So if you want to edit a user, you can simply tap on them to edit them. You can add a photo here. So it's great for personalization, and if you have multiple kids in the house who need to play the game here at their own pace and level, they can have their own user accounts. Additionally, here you have the settings button to allow you to edit things such as if you want the words read or unread, if you want the audio to go through, if you want the words, if you want the system sound, you can turn all those off. You can even link it with Dropbox to sync your self-created lessons, which we're going to show you here in a second. Last but not least, you have the More button. Now, to create a sentence, this is a really awesome feature. If you want to create your own lessons here, you can see you have self-created groups, so you can add your own lessons by hitting Add here. You can type the group name in here. In this case, we'll just call it Test, and we'll hit Return here. And then we'll go ahead and add a self-created sentence. So you can pick a picture here to edit a sentence in words here. If not, you can just hit continue. And here it says, enter the new sentence and record the sound for the sentence. After you're done recording, click on the next arrow to record the sounds for the individual words. Then you can add extra words as an option. You can skip the recording sound, and app will use the default sound for your sentence and words. So I can add a new sentence here. So I can say, this is a test, for example here. And you can record your voice here for your test, or you can use a system voice. Now, if I was to record here, the recording would actually cut out here. So I'm just going to use the system voice here, hit next. And then you have the ability to record the sound for the word and skip, or you can skip and use the system voice. So again, if you want to put your own voice here, whether you're a parent of a child or whatever it may be, it's really nice to add that personalization. You can add your own voice here and read out the words, or the system voice will do it itself here for each individual word here, as you can see. And then you can even add extra words. So that's how you go about creating a sentence. You can hit done here, you can hit play sentence, go back, or main menu. So if you want to play the sentence, you can have it be played here, and or jump right into the levels here. So you can see you can hit this button right next to the 2, which is your self-created lessons. Now let's go ahead and jump into the levels that they have built into the game here. So for example, you can see they offer a ton of different levels here, and they focus on different things in vocabulary. So subject, adverbs, subject plus verb plus adjective, for example. So for example, they have I am hot, and you can hear that if I click on listen again. It plays the sentence in the top right, or it plays it audibly, so you can actually hear it, and you have a visual representation with the picture. And then from there, you can see you take the words and organize them correctly. And you can see you get a green arrow once you are confirmed there. So you need to get the sentence in the correct order, and every time you take an individual word to be dragged down, it reassures you. So for example, if I type in cold, tap cold, you'll hear that reassurance via audio here. So you get that audio and visual representation. So we can go ahead and go to level 2, just show you the differences they have here, for example. So if I go into levels 2, I can say this one right here.
David sleeps on his bed.
So you see here with level 2, you have not just the words from the sentence that it pronounces, but you have some other words that are can throw you off. So you have some things like question marks, the baby laughs, cries. You have all these different words that you may not need. So you need to pick out the correct words by using the visual representation along with the audio that's read. So I can say David sleeps, for example, on, and then his bed. And then you want to get the correct period.
David sleeps on his bed.
And you can see there, it reassures the sentence, and you get your reward. So this is the Sentence Builder app. It's $5. It's a great educational app for your kids, focusing on that of vocabulary, grammar, punctuation, pronunciation. Really great content. Definitely worth checking out the Sentence Builder app.